Hey everybody, how's it going? Right now I'm in Port Barton on Palawan Island. I caught a flight from Manila to Puerto Princesa. Then I took a van to Port Barton here. It's a tiny little beach town. Right now is low season, so I'm pretty much alone. Actually, I'm the only one staying at the hotel. So not much going on, but it is a really beautiful spot. As you can see, it's raining, as usual, but that's all right. I actually kind of like this rain. It's just drizzling, and it's nice for walking around. I paid about $50 for the flight from Manila, including luggage, and the bus from Puerto Princesa to Port Barton cost 700 pesos, which is around $12 or $13. I think I slightly overpaid, but I got picked up right at my hotel, which was nice. This is a really affordable place. I'm staying in a hotel I booked on Airbnb. I think it's like 11 bucks a night for a room with AC, hot water, Wi-Fi, and as for food, I just had lunch and I paid, let's see, 75 pesos for some pork adobo and rice and a little soup, and let's see, that's about $1.50, $1.75, something like that. So you can get by really cheaply here. Go to the beach for free. Lots of nice fresh fruits you can buy as well. Right now I'm walking to Coconut Beach and White Beach. It's supposed to be two of the best beaches in the area. I think there's a entrance fee for both. They're private beaches, but it's minimal, like maybe 50 cents or something, 20, 30 pesos. Oh, that's a nice view. I thought I was going to be hiking on a trail, but I'm just on this road. This road's not even on the map. So I don't know what the deal is. Maybe there's a turn off somewhere where I go down to the beach. I don't know. Now we're on a little bit more of a hiking trail. Some great views along here. Said it was only 1.4 kilometers, but it feels a little further than that. I think I'm getting pretty close though. Really beautiful trail. Lush, green, coconut trees. Really nice. The infrastructure in Port Barton is really basic. You won't find any luxury accommodation here, fancy restaurants or anything like that. Everything is really, I don't know, just minimal. So be prepared for that. If you're looking for a luxury destination, this really isn't it. I was thinking I might see some wild animals along this hike somewhere, maybe some monkeys or something. I don't know what exists out here, but I haven't seen anything other than a couple chickens. I haven't even seen another person since I left Port Barton. I passed by a few houses, but I haven't even seen anybody. Made it to Coconut Beach. Really beautiful. Got myself a coconut. Already drank it and I'm just eating the flesh inside. That's why they call it Coconut Beach, you guys. Lots of coconut trees. Yeah, it's a beautiful beach, you guys. It's deserted. I'm like the only one here. There were a couple Dutch guys here when I arrived, but they moved on. There is an entrance charge, 50 pesos, so a little under $1 right now. And I paid 50 pesos for a coconut, which is a good deal. So yeah, definitely recommend coming here. The guy cut my coconut open for me, so I'm eating the meat right now. It's really filling. I did not know there's that much meat in a coconut. There's Port Barton town over there. Took probably about an hour to walk here from the city. I could have got here a lot faster if I had rented a motorcycle or if I just paid for a motorcycle taxi or something, but not a bad walk. Actually, it was a really nice hike. It was nice. It was just drizzling a little bit. Yeah. Now I'm going to continue to White Beach. The guy said it's about a half-hour walk. And yeah, I think it's just down that way. That's another one I got to pay an entrance fee, but I might as well check it out. Alright, I made it to White Beach, you guys. It was actually only about a 15-minute walk from Coconut Beach. There's a little shortcut you can take. Looks about the same to me. Nobody here. So White Beach is nice as well. There's a restaurant here. I didn't eat anything there. It also cost 50 pesos to enter. I think I prefer Coconut Beach. A little more beautiful to me. Just the backdrop of the coconut trees is pretty cool. Heading back to Coconut Beach now. It's on the way back anyway, so I might as well walk through there again if I can get down here without falling. Ooh, that's a little slippery. This is the shortcut back to the beach. Should be there in about 5 minutes. A little bit treacherous when it's slippery, but not so bad. Alright guys, just relaxed at Coconut Beach for a little bit. Now I'm heading back to Port Barton. Should be about an hour walk back. It stopped raining, so maybe I can go a little bit faster. It's, like I said, 1.4 kilometers. Really beautiful spot here. Glad I came. Wasn't sure when it was raining this morning. I was didn't know what to do, but only got 3 days here, so I had to do something. There are these little beach houses. Just really beautiful, picturesque. There's a rooster. You know, I really expected the Philippines to be a little more developed. Maybe more in line with, like, I don't know, Vietnam or something like that, but it's a lot less developed. I mean, here is like on par with an African village in terms of development. I was in Uganda for 5 months last year, and the level of development there is similar to what you see on Palawan here. There's nothing wrong with that, it just kind of surprised me. Palawan is a pretty major tourist destination, and it's just a lot less developed than I expected. Like, I thought there would be luxury resorts and that kind of thing, but there's really not, which is nice. Now the humidity is really kicking in. After the rain stopped, the sun came out a little bit. Now it's getting really hot. So, like I was saying, Puerto Princesa is the largest city on Palawan Island. It's where the main airport is located. Most people fly in there and then travel up to El Nido by bus or by van. And Port Barton is located in between Puerto Princesa and El Nido, kind of on the west side of Palawan Island. So it's a good stopover point. Rather than taking like a 5 to 7 hour bus straight to El Nido, you can stop here for a couple days and just relax. There are island hopping tours here. I'm not going to do any. I'm going to save that for El Nido. But yeah, it's just a really nice place to relax. If you're planning to work here while you travel like I am, you will need a local SIM card with some data so you can get online. The Wi-Fi here just is not reliable and it's extremely slow. A lot of the hotels also only have Wi-Fi in the common area, but not in the rooms. So that's also an issue if you're trying to work. I bought a eSIM card online, and I think I paid like 20 bucks for 10 gigabytes, which is pretty expensive, and I might have to buy more. So I'm trying to conserve it the best I can. Also, it's a good idea to withdraw enough cash for the duration of your stay, either in Manila or wherever you're starting from, or Puerto Princesa. A lot of times the ATMs here either are not stocked or they're not connected to the internet, so you can't withdraw cash. So yeah, I withdrew a good amount of money. I think there may be ATMs in El Nido. I'm not sure. I've seen a few here in Port Barton, but I haven't tried them. I was initially just planning on going straight to El Nido. I had never even heard of Port Barton, but I read about it online, and people are saying it's pretty cool, so I thought I'd come check it out. It's on the way anyway. It is really dead right now in the off season. I mean, like I said, I'm the only one at the hotel, which is kind of strange. And yeah, I've only seen a handful of other foreigners around town. Like, I keep walking by the same people over and over. Just had a quick lunch, had some fish adobo and rice. Now I'm gonna head back to my hotel, rest for a bit. There it is right over there, it's that blue building. Really basic. I'll show you the room when I get back.